channel Beauty and the Peace. Hope everyone is doing great and you are safe at your home. I have started a new series called #WW, which means Winter and Wedding series. In this series, I will dump each and every possible video which is related to winter and wedding. Today's video is about how to do pedicure and manicure at home. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna show you how I did pedicure at home. Most of the girls ignored to do pedicure, but pedicure is the most important thing because our feet are carrying our whole body weight. So it's really important to take care of our feet. In this winter our feet tend to get dry, flaky, and we can see crack on our heels, so it's really important to take care of. I know in parlor it is very costly, which is not okay for teenagers or the girls like me who don't want to spend 800 to 1000 rupees for pedicure. So here is the solution, guys. This is the product. It's from Alps Goodness and it's a pedicure and manicure kit. You will get this on Purple. So this product has so many variants, but I have chosen this one. This is the Cocoon, which meant for damage repair pedicure and manicure kit, and it is very affordable. It's 145 only, and the amount is so much that you can do your pedicure twice with this product. So let's check it out. This is the packet, guys, and in this packet you will get this 5 sachets. The first one is soak. Will get some powder or dissolve. You have to soak in the water. And the second one is cuticle cream. The third one is for scrubbing. This is a scrubber. And the fourth one is massage cream. You have to massage with this cream. And the fifth and last one is mud mask. Before starting pedicure, always remember that you have to remove your nail polishes, and I always do that. It is the right way to do. So the first thing is dissolve this powder in the lukewarm water. I don't like warm water because I don't feel good. I always prefer lukewarm water, and I will soak my feet for 10 to 15 minutes. Now after drying my feet, I will cut the nails with the nail cutter. If you want to shape, then you can shape your nails also. But I will cut my nails normally. Now according to me, this is the most important thing to clean your nails properly. So I will remove all the dirt from my nails with this stick. Now this is the filer. I will file my nails and I will remove all the yellow patches on my nails with this one. So my feet is totally clean now. The second step was cuticle cream. Now what is cuticle? The skin from where our nails grow is the cuticle. So you have to massage the cream on your cuticles and then you have to push your cuticles back just to improve the growth of your nails. But guys, remember, don't hurt your cuticle because it hurts so much and the pain you can't bear. So please be careful while doing this. Scrubbing is really important. While you are doing scrubbing, you will get rid of all the flaky skins and dirt from your feet. So scrubbing is important. For me, scrubbing is such a satisfying step because it removes all the dirts from my feet, so my feet look so clean and nice. It is a really nice feeling. And guys, don't forget to scrub your heels, the gap between fingers, so scrub everything properly. Now here is a pumic stone. I will rub it on my heels. If you have cracks on your heels, so it will remove all the flaky skins from your heels. It is really nice, and you will get this pumic stone in any beauty store. Number 4 is massage cream. Massage the cream into your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. Wipe off excess cream with a wet towel. It smells doesn't good, but it works amazing, so yeah. I massage this cream on my feet for 5 to 7 minutes because massaging is really important. It helps to circulate your blood properly. So you have to do a good massage on your feet. So yeah, here it is. Now the fifth product is mud mask, and it's gently apply a thin layer of mud mask over your feet. Wait for 15 minutes or till mask dries. Wash off with water and wipe dry. We know mud mask is really costly because when you go to the parlor they will cost you for 1000 or 1200 for applying mask on your feet, but you will get this product in 145 only. So please go and give it a try, guys. Now it's time to apply some mask on your feet. So I will apply this on my feet and I will leave the mask for 15 minutes because I think in winter it won't take 20 minutes to dry. And the smell of this mask is really nice. I was really impressed by the smell. So yeah, here you can see the mask dries, and here is my clean feet. I'm really impressed with this product. Now it's time to apply some good nail polishes on your feet to look it more beautiful. So here it is. For today, that is all. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video link with your friends and relatives. And please guys, subscribe my channel because subscription is free, and you have to press once on the subscribe button, and that is all. Love you guys. Bye bye.